Amphoteric oxide among the following is generally non-metals will form acidic oxides. Non-metals will form acidic oxides. Metals will form basic oxides. Metals will form basic oxides. Metalloids will form amphoteric oxides. Non-metals will form acidic oxides. Metals will form basic oxides. Metalloids will form amphoteric oxides. Based on this point, we can easily identify which of the following is amphoteric oxide. We know that arsenic is a metalloid. So metalloid means the oxide formed by that arsenic metalloid is amphoteric oxide. So answer is B. N2O5 is nitrogen is non-metal, so N2O5 is acidic. Bismuth is metal, so oxide of bismuth B2O3 is basic. N2O, actually nitrogen is non-metal, but it is an exceptional case. It is N2O is neutral oxide. Neutral oxide. It is an exceptional case. So here amphoteric oxide among the following is As4O6.